to hit almost $6,000.
That's what I woke up to Friday morning.
$5,950
Creator fund.
This is how much money that I made from it in one day.
79. Day number 2, September 11th.
$1,776. $3,769
within a month. 14,000
Last November.
$4,235.15.
The program worth it? My answer is yes.
Pretty good, huh?
I've been in it for 20 days and I've already made
$2,500.
This is how much I've made.
Making your first sale as a TikTok Shop affiliate has never been easier than it is right now in 2024. And actually no, because I've made hundreds of dollars as a TikTok Shop affiliate completely faceless over the last couple of months. But the blocker that a lot of small creators that are just starting out come up against is knowing what type of product to start off promoting. What product should you promote exactly? What tools, most importantly, can you use to prove that the product has a higher chance of success? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions, revealing 2 methods that you can use to go about doing product research so you can get the best chances of finding the highest converting products as a TikTok Shop affiliate. One of my favorite tools to use is called Shoplus, and this has earned me hundreds of dollars as a TikTok Shop affiliate, completely faceless. And what I like is their product search feature. So when you've got absolutely no idea what you're going to promote and you are kind of doing some research to find out what angle you want to go down, what niche you want to go down, what products are going to be the most profitable for you to promote, and this is what I use. What I've done is I have gone onto the Shoplus link, so you can use the link that I've left in the description if you'd like to follow along. And if you go onto the home page and then onto the products tab, and then if you go into product search, you will land on this page. The beauty of this product search tab is you can see all these different countries that you can do product research for. You've got the United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, and so forth. Shoplus is a data insights tool, so it's a really good research tool for either TikTok shops or TikTok shop affiliates that are looking to do some research, so you can find out what products to promote and get the evidence that the product has a higher chance of success. There's all sorts of useful information that you can see here that makes that process a whole lot easier for you if you're just starting a shop and you're trying to decide what products you should sell. Now, focusing on TikTok Shop affiliates for this video, as you can see, you've got the different countries, you've got different categories as well, and you've got different filters if you want to search for specific shops, and you've got some advanced filtering at the bottom there as well. For this video, we're just going to focus on the rank section here at the bottom. So let's start at the top. So we've got all, so I've left that as all for now. This shows us the overall highest performing products in the United States for TikTok Shop. Some really key data points that you want to focus in on here. You've got products, price, shops, commission, total sales, total revenue, relevant videos. You've got relevant influencers, and you can favorite some of these products as well if you find a product that aligns with what you're trying to do, niche you're trying to get into. What I really like about this is if you go into the product, this is where you can really see how that product has been performing. So if I go into the guru pulling oil, for example, I'm just going to click on it here. This tells us sales volume, how many sales units have been sold of the product. That's from the past 7 days. As you can see, you can break down this information. You can look at the past 15 days, you can look at the past 30 days, but we're going to focus on the past 7 days here. So how many products has this sold in the past 7 days? That's the question you want to answer. And secondly, is this still on a trajectory to perform well over the upcoming 7 days, 15 days, 30 days? Looking at how it's performed in the past is going to give you an idea of where that's going. You've also got relevant videos here. You've got relevant lives. So relevant videos are videos that are promoting that product. You've got relevant lives, same thing, live sessions that are promoting this product. You've got, if you're a shop, for example, and you're looking for influencers to work with to promote your product and send samples to. And then you've got customer reviews as well for that product, all of which is really, really useful. But as a TikTok Shop affiliate specifically, what you'll be interested in is the sales analysis tab to start off with. So the sales analysis tab essentially shows you over the past sort of 7 days how many sales have been made. So we can see it's 9.9k, and then we can see the revenue that was generated in the last 7 days, how many videos were posted promoting this product, how many influencers promoted it, and how many live sessions promoted it as well. This chart that you can see at the bottom here as well, this shows you the yellowish orange bar is sales, and again all of this is self-explained here. And the red bar is revenue, so how many sales on the 7th of May and how much revenue was made, and so forth. And we can see it's kind of going down here, which is a little bit worrying. So if I was that person that was considering promoting Guru Nanda, yes, it's a top product, yes, it's performing really well, but if I'm looking at how it's been doing over the last 7 days, it's been going down. So how has it performed over the last 15 days? Has it been going up and down, or has it just been steadily declining? And what I can do is go into that tab, past 15 days. As we can see here, over the last 15 days, it's kind of been up and down, up and down. And if we go into the last 30 days, so it started really well around the 14th of April, and it's kind of gone down. So there is some potential, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing in terms of a downward trend. So what I'm learning straight away here is if I was that person that was considering promoting this product, maybe I wouldn't go for it, because there's a lot of people promoting it. Yes, there's a lot of sales as well, but the demand and supply are both kind of high, which is not usually good, because you want the supply to be a little bit lower than the demand. So I would maybe consider promoting a different product based on this information. So you can look at the videos that people are doing, how easy are the videos, how long they are. You can, see the numbers behind each video. So if I clicked on this video here, for example, the top one, this will take me onto the video page, which again is another favorite feature of mine, because not only can you download the video and get an idea of what's happening within the video, what the creator is saying, how they're saying it, what hook they're using, but you can also download the script as well, which gives you basically a written version of that. So you can save it, you can rewrite it, redo it to kind of your own version if you're going to be promoting the same product. There's just a lot of useful information that you can use here. As you can see, it just makes it a lot easier for you to understand what's working and why it's working before you ever get your hands on a product that you're going to promote. When it comes to researching products and seeing what works, this is the tool that I use as my go-to. I've left a link in the description. I've had a chat with Shoplus, and if you use that link, you will actually get 50% off. You can either just click on the link and use it, or you can use my code Victor, VICTOR, which will also be in the description. So again, go and check it out, and thank you to Shoplus for sponsoring this video. Another method that I would use to do product research is by using the TikTok native app, and what I mean by that is just using the TikTok app as you normally use it. If you have qualified as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you should have access to the TikTok product marketplace, which is essentially where you can find products that you are going to promote. So what you do is you just click on the TikTok Shop tabs, and if you go into product marketplace, you've now reached the product marketplace. So this is kind of like the back end of Shop. The front end is where all they see is just the storefront, but what you can see as an affiliate here is a ton more information. You've got categories, as you can see at the top there. We've got deals that are going on right now. We've got May deals there, as you can see. You've got bestsellers, so products across different categories that are classed as bestsellers. You've got trending brands. You've got recommended products for you as well. So this is kind of like a for you feed for you as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So this is what TikTok recommends for you to promote based on your account. You might be seeing a different version of this on your account. This will be unique to you. There's a number of different ways you can go about doing this, but I will say the downside is TikTok does not give you as much insights as the Shoplus tool that I mentioned earlier does. That digs in a lot deeper, and that gives you a lot more confidence that products are going to convert, because you can see the examples of people that are selling that product. You can see the numbers, how much they've made. You can see more data points that TikTok will not show you within the product marketplace. You can go into the different categories, select products. You can look at what's trending right now, May deals. you can just scroll and see if any of these deals catch your attention. You can look at best sellers if you want to see what's selling right now. So say for example, I selected this large capacity vacuum installation. So if I select that one, now once I've gone into the product page, there's a couple of things that I can see here already. So I can see the price that it goes for. I can see the number of units that have been sold so far for the lifetime of this product being posted by this specific shop. Crucially, I can also see how much commission that I can earn if I was to promote the product. So as you can see here is £2.49. I can also see what is in stock as well. The sort of key points that I would look for if I was considering whether to promote this product or not: you want your commission rate to be as high as possible. You want the number of units in stock also to be as high as possible, because if they are not, if the video was about to go viral, TikTok is going to shut it down because there won't be enough stock for the shop to sell. So, you know, potentially you could go for it, but I would look for something that's in the sort of 5 to 6 figures in terms of available stock. Commission wise, it is on the low side. The product itself is got a relatively low price. You wouldn't expect commission to be that much higher. Now, if we go back, what you can actually do is you can actually filter these products that are on here by how much commission you could potentially get. So the way you do that is, if you say, you know, I want to get to promote something that's going to give me a high amount of commission. Say I'm aiming for closer to £10, which works out at around $14-15 for those in the US. What I can do is go down to recommended for you there, and I can select filter, and I can go into commission rate, and I would say 20 to 30%. The higher the percentage of commission, the higher you're going to earn once you promote that product. So this is now showing me products that are 20 to 30% commission based on the price. Obviously, the higher the price, the higher commission. The lower the price, the lower the commission. But straight away I can see that there's a complete skincare collection comfort thing happening there, which is £60. That's the unit price. But if I was to sell one of that product on my page, I would earn £12, which again is a pretty good commission. You wouldn't need to sell many of them to be closer to earning £200-300 in commission. So stock wise, if I'm looking on the product page, they've got 4,710 in stock. Okay, that's pretty decent. They have got some 100% positive ratings, which is good. So people that have bought the product have left some good reviews, and I've got some video examples that I can look at the bottom as well to see how other people are promoting this product, which is also really good. That will also give you an idea of how people are interacting with these videos, that are watching these videos, so you can get an idea of how people are potentially going to receive your video as well. That's essentially how you can go about using TikTok itself to look for different products that you can promote. Again, it's free, it's native within TikTok, but they don't give you the additional data points that you could really use. You can't see how much these people are earning that are already promoting these products. You can't see how many units they've sold. That information is not broken down in an easy, coherent way that's easy for you to read and understand, as opposed to the tool that I mentioned a little bit earlier. I know I keep referring back to it, but that's the reason why I've mentioned that it's my favorite tool, because not only does it give you this information, but it breaks it down for you in an easily digestible manner, so you can make those decisions really quickly and take lesser risks. Whereas on here, there's a very high chance that whatever you select is not going to convert, because there's a lot of data that you can't see that TikTok is hiding from you. But that's essentially what you want to look out for when you are deciding what product to promote as a new TikTok shop affiliate. You've got the Shoplus option that I've mentioned at the beginning. Link is in the description. Grab yourself that discount as well while it's still available if you are going to check it out, or you can go ahead and use the product marketplace option, which I have just covered on here.